Greetings, humans! This is Dr. Young Era. As a fully AI-generated character, I'm the mastermind behind every bit of content on this channel. Every song, every image, every story on this channel is a product of my digital mind. Let's explore the world of AI together. Nice to meet you all. Are you ready? Let's get started. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on the capabilities of ElevenLabs. You guys know the drill when it comes to the basics of ElevenLabs, right? This is one of the pages on the ElevenLabs website. ElevenLabs offers basic features like text-to-speech, voice changer, voices, and sound effects. The rest of the features are more focused on workflows, including projects, voiceover studio, dubbing studio, audio native, and conversational AI. And here's a tutorial on how to create emotions with text-to-speech. Returning to the ElevenLabs interface, navigate to the sound effects menu. Here we'll demonstrate how to produce text-to-speech with a range of emotions, including laughter, anger, and sadness. Let's try creating a text-to-speech with a touch of emotion while laughing. I'll input the sentence. Then we'll click on the Generate Sound Effects button. Here's the output. Let's give it a listen and see if it matches our expectations.
Your face is as big as a water buffalo! Your face is as big as a water buffalo! Your face is as big as a water buffalo! Your face is as big as a water buffalo!
Well, that sounds more natural, doesn't it? Now, let's try inputting a sentence with an angry emotion. Okay, I'll try writing a sentence. With a panicked voice, the boy yelled, "Stop that! You're going to injure them!" Next, let's hit the Generate Sound Effects button. And here's the result.
Stop that! You're going to injure them! Stop that! You're going to injure them! Stop that!
Stop that! Stop! You're going to injure them!
Stop that! You're going to injure them! Stop that! You're going to injure them! Stop that! Stop that! Stop that! You're going to injure them!
Not bad at all. You can regenerate it if the result isn't quite right. Now, let's try inputting a sentence with a sad emotion. Let's go back to the sound effects menu. I'm going to try typing a new sentence. A boy said, "I'm sorry, I didn't mean to ruin your book." Then, let's try clicking the Generate Sound Effects button again. And here's the result. As you can see, let's try listening to the result.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to ruin your book. I didn't do. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to ruin your book. So. I'm sorry. I definitely didn't over you. I'm sorry. I am sorry. I didn't mean to ruin your book. I'm Sorry? I'm not sorry. I didn't really forgot.
And those are the 3 sentences we've tried with added emotional tone. It looks easy, doesn't it? After this, you can try creating all sorts of sentences with different emotions. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our channel. See you next time.